the famous subject graph theory. Today I teach you the famous subject graph theory, which was invented in 1736 with the help of a famous problem, the Konigsberg bridge problem. Konigsberg bridge problem. Konigsberg is a town in Russia which divided by a river Prego, and it was two islands side by side. There were 7 bridges connecting the cities. Now the problem was, from any point, starting from any point and using the bridges only once, covering all the bridges and reach to the starting point. What was the problem? Starting from a point, covering all the bridges once and return to the starting point. But it seems that it was till now a problem, an unsolved problem, that one cannot cover this work. After that, the famous mathematician Euler solved this problem. Anyway, so this was the history of graph theory. By the graph theory, and we use it in various aspects of our lives, our technologies, our so many problems. We use the graph theory, such as traffic problem, telephone problem, etc. We use in organic chemistry. We use the graph theory in organic chemistry. Suppose that in organic chemistry, this is carbon, this is hydrogen. What is it? Methane. Okay. Now some definition of graph theory, such as vertex. Suppose a graph is, this is a graph, A, B, C, D, E. This is a graph, suppose G, V, E. V is the vertex set, E is the edge set. So what is vertex? A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex, D is a vertex, E is a vertex. What is edge? E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. These are the edges. So vertex set is A, B, C, D, E. Edge set is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, etc. Right? Now, so many vertices there. Some other definitions. Now E2 is an edge incident with the vertices B and C. Similarly, E1 is another edge incident on A and B, etc. Now parallel edges. What is parallel edge? If there exist two edges between two vertices, these edges are called the parallel edges. Suppose E8. So E2 and E8 are parallel edges, right? So we can define parallel edge as if two or more edges have the same vertices, same incidence vertices, then these edges are called the parallel edges. Example: E2 and E8 are the parallel edges. E2 and E8 are the parallel edges in GBE. Next day we come to the definitions of centrum, pseudograph, etc., multigraph, directed graph, etc. Next class.